Here at our school, we teach a lot of children and adults how to paint and draw, and at the end of the term, I have a lot of brushes I need to clean up. But some of these brushes aren't just dirty, they've actually been pushed out of shape by misuse. And so I want to test something out. I want to see, can I save a brush just like this? My brushes are now nice and clean, and I've fished out a few that look particularly scraggly and horrible, and I do not know if this is going to work. So here's what you do. You get boiling water. Now usually you have to be kind of careful with boiling water with synthetic brushes because you can do more harm than good. Put it in the boiling water for 30 to 40 seconds, moving it around a little bit. Now, bit of soap. Please excuse our super spongy soap. We are an art school, and so we have lots of students using this soap, especially for their oil paints. You drag the bristles through the soap until it's coated. I think that you could just mold it a little bit. That's looking a lot more pointed, and it's pointing in the right direction. Next step is to actually just let this sit and dry. They say like a few hours, but I might actually end up doing this overnight and come back to it tomorrow. I don't think that it would really matter. Let's do a few more. It is officially the next day. The bristles are obviously very, very stiff. Give them a bit of a wash now, and I know that some of them are beyond repair. Mr. Spiky Hairdo, there's just no hope for that one at all. But the rest of them, let's just see. So I'm just putting the brush in some water. To me, hasn't really worked, but there's a few in here that it might have. Let's see once I get rid of some of that soap. So this one here, there's still a little bit of a sticky outy bit there, but it's not as crazy as it was before. So it's worked a little bit on that one. This one I am interested to see. Not looking great. It's sticky outy. It's starting to spread. I don't think there's any hope. We're not doing good here, folks. I'll do the rest of them and we'll see. Final result. I think that this trick is only a bit of a 50-50 chance whether you're going to get your brushes back into order or not. Some of them it's okay. Look at this one here. That one's kind of worked. That one's all right. It really does seem to be the brushes with the longer bristles where this may work. But would I personally ever try doing this again? Probably not. You might think differently. You might be like, yeah, I can be bothered doing that. But for me, no, I don't think so. Did you like this video? If you did, give us a like and maybe even subscribe, and we'll see you all next time.